We are riding in the Western Sahara. It's very windy out here. Sometimes the sand is really taking over the road. We are on our way to Dakhla. There is a wild camping spot, very popular. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Wow, this is the wild camping spot, but this just looks like a campsite or something. It does not look like a wild camping spot. When we were talking, we were staying there for a long time. We learned something very important. They told us the visa price for Mauritania will drop with 65%. That means that's $200 we can save. The only problem is we need to stay here for 30 days, something like that. So I think we have something to talk about. So we decided to stay. This can be a good challenge for us. Our relationship is still pretty young. We don't have that much experience camping, working together. So yeah, this is just a very good opportunity for us to learn all these things. Our biggest challenge is the wind. If the wind's coming from the north, we get freezing. The wind's coming from the south, we just get crazy sandstorms. The other tourists are getting happy. They come here for kite surfing. They love the wind. But after the kite surfing, they just go back to their campers and they can be comfortable again. It's just because of all these sandstorms and all this wind. The other thing is, we don't have any drinking water here. There's no grocery shop around. If we can manage this, we are just ready to continue our trip around the world, right?
If we cannot find a way to stabilize our tent and protect our stuff from the sand, it wasn't any option for us to stay here almost a month. It is our third day and no wind. It was a tide, so we decided to walk around. We saw, of course, many plastic bags, plastic bottles, or some wooden sticks, some ropes. So we had some idea actually to protect our tent. We started to make a shelter to protect our tents from the wind and sandstorm. Choose to southeast to make a shelter because the sandstorm was terrible when you compare the north wind. And also we try to make kitchen table, something like that. Yeah, finally we set up our tent. We stable our shelters with extra rocks.
Don't bury the cat!
We put sands on plastic bottles to use that one like a stones because it can look like we have a lot of stones around, but it's impossible to find the small pieces to use it. Yeah, if we can find water, we were trying to put around to tent because when you start the sandstorm, if your sand is wet, then not flying that much. Yeah, we learned it. In the beginning, we didn't have fun. We stuck inside the tent.
Keep the tent very well.
I am. I'm getting a neck problem at the moment. Otherwise, our tent collapse. Look at our Ascom, look at the disco light. You want them moving?
Don't move, the tent is collapsed.
But the good thing is, look like nothing is flying.
Close!
Oh, no, please, do not break and miss the zip.
Sit down. Kakla was around 30 kilometers each way. We were trying to go once or twice a week with one motorcycle, but mostly we looked the day when the wind was a little bit down, so it was a bit easier for us to go. So yes, we're leaving our comfort zone. No more luxury around us. You need to do laundry as well. Trying to get hot water, leaving it a little bit in the sun. We got one small bucket. Laundry time! We're using this for everything. Put a little bit of washing powder, and then like a few dirty t-shirts that we got, a few underwears, and that's it. That's all we can do all the time to continue it. We're dividing the jobs a little bit. I'm bringing out the water, hanging on the clothes. So yeah, it's good. We're working together. This is why we are staying around here. You can see I'm also using the same bucket to do the dishes. Again, no luxury, no dishwash machine. I think in a home you can fight for this. Doing the dishes in the same bucket. Having a shower, it's also interesting. But hey, it's still fun. Look at the view we have. Having a shower. It's very nice. What about shaving? We still need to do that as a man. So I borrowed a mirror from my neighbor cyclists, so I could do it. I had fun.
One day after shopping, I wanted to make beans with meat. But Ferry told me he never tried before. I was surprised, and I started to cook. And he was helping me, and actually he was so curious. It's a little potato, carrot, tomato, beans, onion, garlic, meat, and of course a lot of spices just coming from Morocco.
Yeah, so you will try first time to bean.
Food was almost ready. It's a lovely day because we don't have so much wind, or not sandstorm. So actually I'm curious if he will like or not. We'll see. Please. Please. Yes! Do you think the tent collapse?
No, I'm holding it with my neck.
Do you want a coffee? Anyway, we cannot go out.
I would like to have a cup of coffee, but it's hard to drink because I cannot move my neck.
Look, everywhere sand.
Oh, my neck.
I just clean here.
Yeah, there as well. But look at this, our coffee bottle. We're in the middle of a sandstorm. Next time I will boil more water. Olé! Not that much. Not enough.
I can have espresso.
We'll see. No, it's not moving because I'm holding.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I know. Ask him, what did you find? some fun. We go for a walk, we go for a swim, we just explore a little bit around the area where we're staying. It's beautiful.
Sand.
Collapse.
No, 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 it's not.
She's just laughing. You were doing exactly the same when we have coffee.
It's a sun train.
Close your eyes. Going to sleep.
You don't have any sand?
No, here is totally fine. Sun shining. From the cocktail. Nothing wrong. Wind.
Wow,
No.
sand is coming for me.
Yeah, you're more in a sandstorm. I'm on the beach, having fun, chilling out. You see how I'm comfortable.
After 2 weeks later, yeah, we were feeling this is our house. We were just having fun. We are not bothering anymore. We have a sand inside or wind outside.
Keep the tent.
Just pushing me in the corner, right?
Thank you.
Night we were watching movies. We learned how we can handle a sandstorm, working inside.
Breaky break time.
We were eating inside. Yeah, we did. We managed it. It is not a challenge actually anymore. We did it. This was the time to move because we celebrate the New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Oh my god!
It was time to go Mauritania, but we decided to wait a couple of days more because we were thinking any case if their system not change, we need to pay $200 more, so waited. Then we decided to go to the border on my birthday. I was thinking it can be really fun, but oh no way, it was a really, really, really huge mistake. Do you know why? Yeah, we'll see the next part.
I go right slowly because I started camera. It's feeling so much different already.